have been giving to you, my dear students, regarding to the first part of soft skills, that is reading skills. From the reading skills, I have given you regarding to the pronunciation classes based on the phonetics. So I gave you phonetic vowel sounds and consonant sounds and creation of Telugu Gunimtam style with phonetic consonant sounds. My dear students, last class I told you, coming classes I begin with the second part of the soft skills, that is called writing skills. So my doubt is whether you keep first part of soft skills in your mind or not. So I want to come back to the first part of the soft skills, that is reading skills. From that part I would like to give you some recall regarding to the phonetics. Once you develop Telugu Gunimtam style with phonetic consonant sounds, definitely all the words and letters in a phonetic version from OALD, Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, from there you can read all the words and letters in original accent, either American English or British English. You can pronounce properly. Once you develop this course, know and speak in English in a proper manner, no one can get that you are coming from particular area, especially Andhra. Because once you develop this phonetic course in your mind and heart and speak out the words and letters in English, definitely no one catch you that you are coming from Andhra or particular place, because this course help you to pronounce exactly as a native English speakers pronounce or speak out their languages, that is known as English language. So in that way I want to keep you in that track. I want to give you some recall regarding to the phonetic course, mainly Telugu Gunimtam style. So my dear students, after knowing this type of Gunimtam with phonetic consonant sounds, so we have 26 sounds, my dear students. For all the sounds, if you form Telugu style in this way, so all the words are written with this sounds only. So please go alphabetic order. We have consonant letters. So and that way if you go, the first one is the B letter, is the first consonant letter regarding to the English letters. So that if you follow, so from the B letter we have so many words from the dictionary you can find out. So starting with the B sound or B letter, so if you develop this Ba Gunimtam or after that Da Gunimtam, we don't have with the C letter Gunimtam because we have a S letter type. Along with the S letter we have a Sa sound also. So here we don't have in phonetics, in the phonetic course we don't have the C Gunimtam, because that is a Sa. We have two sounds we get, normal Sa and Milky Sa also we get from S letter. From that S letter we get, so we don't have here C, only B. After that we have a Da sound. So from the Da sound we have two letter sound from Telugu. One is a Da, another one is a Da. If you write with the D letter, sometimes the D letter is pronounced as a Da or a Da. For example, if you use the do forms from the primary helping words There we have a do, does, did, done, doing. So do, do we call it. The same, the D letter from the phonetic we have a da sound. But coming to the Telugu names regarding the Dilip, Dinesh, so the same D we write in English, but the pronunciation we use da sound. So that's why I gave two sounds here, two letter sounds from Telugu, and we have only one phonetic sound. This is applied for da and da. Two sounds it is applied. If you write rest of the phonetic consonant sounds in this same manner, all the letters alphabetic order from the dictionary, we have a number of words, lakhs and lakhs, we can get thousands words and letters we get from the dictionary. So there you can read all the words in phonetic version. If you develop clearly the way of reading the English word into phonetic version, definitely you can be one of native English speakers. I give you 100% guarantee, my dear students. When you pronounce based on the phonetic sounds, no one catch you that you are from particular area, either from Andhra or Tamil Nadu or Telangana or Kannada or Goa, wherever may be. Because once you develop phonetic sounds in a proper way for all the words and letters and speak out in that way, no one catch you. Because the slang cannot get from our mother languages. Because exact pronunciation either from American accent or British accent we get. So my dear students, please go through back. After completion of this way of writing Gunimtam style for all the words, please try as I show on the board. Please try for the rest of phonetic consonant sounds. We have 26 and I have given you here two sounds here. So 24 you try, my dear students, the same way. Nothing is removed. You need not get much hard work. Just logical and see the mentally find out, and you can see for every phonetic sound, consonant sound, we have same formation. Nothing is changed. Only you have to develop. You should know in your mind Telugu Gunimtam. Telugu Gunimtam, they should have in your mind. So please keep, my dear students. Now I read out, after reading these two Telugu Gunimtam, then I give you some examples of each and every phonetic sound based on the phonetic vowel sounds and phonetic consonant sounds. Each one I gave you. Just see, look at my dear students here. See, this is a first letter. If we have within the two slashes single letter, then that is a ib sound. If we add a phonetic sound a, that is called ba. So to pronounce this way, first you have to read. When you read, this all are applied for the Telugu Gunimtam style. Ib, ba, ba, bi, bi, bu, bu, bru, bru, be, be. This is for Telugu word sound and this is for English word sound. For example, BAT, we should call not bait but should be bat. BAD, bad. For that words you see in this formation, but for Telugu with baby you can write in this way. But for bat should be pronounced in this way. Writing the Dirgamu plus Yavattu for all the phonetic consonant sounds. When you see in this way, by, here also B-U-Y we used to call by, but here should be called as a by. B-U-Y, B-Y-E should be pronounced in this way. Coming to this one, bow, bow, bow. So bum, baha is not applied for English words. For till here only we use for pronouncing the English words into phonetic version. So to read the phonetic version, you should keep in your mind phonetic vowel sounds, phonetic consonant sounds, and Telugu Gunimtam style also. For all the phonetic consonants, you should develop this type of Gunimtam. So coming to this one, da. This is it, da. So there is a da sound also here. Da dirgham, D dirgham, do dirgham, tru, de. Here also. Die. Damn it. When you say damn it, then we use this one, not damn it. So it should be damn it. Same way here, die, not die. Die. Sachbo, and we call in Telugu. Die. Please die. This is do, dav. For example, pigeon we call dav. In the same way, in Telugu anumanam, in English we call it doubt, not doubt. No doubt is not a pronunciation, but no doubt. Doubt is the pronunciation. See here, dav sound is applied here. For rest of the phonetics consonant sounds, if you write this way, now I gave you after these two examples regarding to the Telugu Gunimtam style. I gave you some examples in English for each phonetic sound, either in a vowel or a consonant sounds. So you can know the value of this Gunimtam. So that you have to keep in your mind, my dear students. Please stay on the line.